Association with Spring House is going to be close to a year now. I think the team at Spring House has been most helpful, starting from Sumit, who helped me sign the contract. So we are signed with Spring House now for 2 years. The good news is that we are expanding our team in the north, so we will be taking up more spaces with Spring House. Comfort of walking in here and walking out at any given point of time. When you're traveling, you know your things are looked after. You know your entire administrative headache, as I said, is taken care of by Spring House. Touch wood, I have never seen internet failure. I have never seen things, which stop your work. There are always solutions. There are always solutions. I remember when the lift over here went through some service issue, I was given the ground floor cabin to work out of. Because for me to climb, at that time I was heftier, so for me to climb was a headache. Absolutely. In fact, even if we go multi-locational, suppose we open more locations, say Gurgaon or CP or Central Delhi, I would always recommend to be with Spring House. Career-wise, I've been working now for 25 years. I started my journey in wellness with a brand called Ananda in the Himalayas, which is very well known in north of India. I was their director sales and marketing for close to 10 years. And then I moved to another brand in Kerala. And that's how I started associating with the Ayurveda business. And I also ran a bit of consultancy of my own during the COVID time. And now I am working with a company called the Tamara Leisure Experiences. I joined them in 22 and I am now heading North India as a region for them, and with an additional responsibility on the wellness vertical for Amal. So Amal means pure and Tamara means lotus. So it's very clear. It's a personal journey of purification. At Amal we run detox programs. It's an NABH certified hospital actually. So we run Ayurveda programs. We have close to 22 programs which work around detox, weight loss, everything put together. But our teams, because we are in Pan-India team now, and the new hotels also which are coming in, we are expanding Pan-India. So we are going to be opening more offices, maybe in Mumbai, Chennai. We're looking at all those regional setups and sales and marketing offices. Moving from home and coming into co-working, as I said, it kind of streamlined me professionally also. So maybe the center had a role to play there, because the center became a solution, and then I could move my laptop and start working from here. So yeah, Spring House has been a part of my growth and professional journey. I think I can just say that everyone around, when you're looking for a good co-working space around NCR, I think you have 16 locations. So 16 locations around NCR, get in touch with the teams, and they're definitely very, very good when it comes to co-working.